Ulta haul, and I'm gonna tell you how to get free gifts with your purchase. We got full-size free gifts in this order. First things first, I got these little claw clips. Now that I'm looking at them, they're looking a little bit tiny. This is what these claw clips, whoa, what is that? I do have pretty thin hair, so let me see. And then I just like go like this, that's all I do. Oh my god, it's kind of small, but it definitely is getting the job done. I'll keep them. I think these claws inside are really gonna help it like stay. This is a free gift. This was a free gift with purchase, guys. This is by Amica, a hair brand. All you had to do was spend, it was either $40, $50, or $60. It was not a lot of any brand. It didn't have to be this brand. And you got this whole bag for free. And I'm always posting free gifts like on my YouTube community page, my Instagram story, my Facebook, and my TikTok discussion board, which is on my TikTok profile. Whenever I see a good one, I'll post it, and I'll post links. Literally, Hydro Rush Intense Moisture Leave-In Conditioner, Moisture Mask. These are also good to just put in your travel bags. Intense Moisture Shampoo, Intense Moisture Conditioner. It's crazy. And a little baby dry shampoo, and this thing of gigantic clips. Like, that was a free gift. The Ordinary also had a free gift, a full-size free gift. So sometimes, like I said, I will look and see what brands are offering. So that one was like on the homepage of Ulta, but then there's also brand-specific free gifts. There's a whole free gift section on Ulta you can look through. The Ordinary was offering a free full-size lotion with like a $15 purchase. To reach the $15, I bought 3 of their moisturizing hand creams. I figured you cannot go wrong with something like this. I'll put one at work, one in my purse, in the car, you know? They were like, I don't even know, like $8 each or something just to hit the $15. And for spending the $15, I got this free full-size moisturizing lotion. Bali Body was having a free gift. This is a free gift with any purchase. So what I decided to get was their instant tan cream. I use a Jergens, I think, instant tan cream on my face every single day. It's in my Amazon storefront. And I love it. So this had really good reviews. So I figured maybe I would like this. And they were giving away a free express tan with any purchase. Are you kidding? I got the Wella Fusion Hair Mask. This was on their 50% off for the 21 Days of Ulta Beauty Intense Repair Mask. As you guys know, I recently bleached my hair. Other 2 things that I purchased was the Anastasia Smooth Blur Contour. I've been meaning to try this for a long time. You guys know I absolutely love the Too Faced contour stick. So this is the shade Shadow from. And then I got an About Face lip liner. You guys know I love the brand About Face. They removed all their other like lipsticks from Ulta's website, which I don't appreciate, but the lip liners are there. And then when you're a platinum, diamond or platinum member or whatever, you get like a free gift every time you spend $50. I chose this Peppermint Halo Smoothing. It's like something you put on your scalp. So it's just a tiny little bottle. If you made it to this point in the video, comment the present emoji. I love it when you guys do that because it gives me an idea of who actually watches all the way until the end. And then I know if there's no emojis in the comments, then I'm a loser. So